Hello everyone, in this video we are going to install Copilot plugin in IntelliJ application. Okay, and this is the Linux operating system, so I'm going to perform this operating system only. What you have to do, just simply start IntelliJ IDEA application on your system and click to these left side and you have to go to settings. Okay, once you are in settings, you can see there is a tab it calls plugins. You have to click here and then in the search bar, if you are here you can see two tabs, marketplace and installed. In the install tab you can see all the installed plugins, and in marketplace you have to just type any plugin and whatever is available you can simply click install to install it, and it can be utilized without any restrictions or permissions. So I'm going to type Copilot and let's see if it shows here. So you can see GitHub Copilot is here. Multiple Copilots are available, but basically we use GitHub Copilot in our environment. So you can click here to install it and accept it. It's a 40 MB, so it will take a couple of minutes to download and install in the IntelliJ. And in between, if you like the channel, kindly do subscribe, share and comment. If you are facing any challenge, I will help you out with the solution. And yes, this is the best way to communicate with everyone. Okay, loading plugin. Let's see, it's loading. Okay, so you can see the plugin is installed and asking us to restart the IntelliJ. Once it is restart, we can see that plugin installed and we can utilize it. So in this workstation, memory is bit low, so that's the reason it is taking bit time to load. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, so once IntelliJ is load successfully, you can simply see in the left side this icon shows about GitHub Copilot. I clicked here and just I need to sign in, and then you can simply chat and utilize this plugin on your IDE application. Okay, so this is how this Copilot and other plugins can be installed on the IntelliJ and utilized. So this is a very simple thing, and you are good to utilize. Thank you so much.